Hey there, fashion lovers. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips and tricks for your shopping adventures. Today, we're tackling something that's super common but can feel a bit confusing: how to return your Fashion Nova purchase in 2025. Whether that stunning dress didn't fit quite right or you just had a change of heart, Fashion Nova makes returns straightforward. Let's dive right in so you can handle this hassle-free. First off, before you start the process, double-check if your item qualifies for a return. In 2025, Fashion Nova's policy generally allows returns within 30 days of delivery for most items, but always verify on their website for any updates, like exclusions for final sale items or personalized products. Got that? Great. Step 1. Log into your Fashion Nova account on their official site. If you don't have one, you'll need to create it quickly. It's free and easy. Once you're in, head over to your order history and find the purchase you want to return. Click on it to see your options. Next, Step 2. Initiate the return request. You'll be prompted to fill out a simple form explaining why you're returning the item. Be honest, it helps with processing. If needed, upload photos to show any issues, like defects or sizing problems. Now, for Step 3. Pack up your item. Use the original packaging if you have it, and make sure everything is secure to avoid any damage during shipping. Fashion Nova often provides a prepaid return label, which you can print directly from your account. Super convenient. Step 4. Ship it back. Drop off the package at your nearest post office or use a pickup service. Keep your tracking number handy so you can monitor the progress. Finally, once Fashion Nova receives and inspects your return, your refund should hit your original payment method within 7 to 10 business days. And that's it, you're all set. Thanks for watching, folks. If this helped you out, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more shopping hacks. Drop any questions in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Stay stylish.